Hi, I'm Nathan, and my best friend's a tiny bug called Theo. I like growing plants on my windowsill because growing things is cool. But recently I've noticed these little flies hanging out around my plant pots. They're fungus gnats, and they lay their eggs in damp soil. They're pretty annoying, but I thought they'd be useful to explain one thing, which is just how small bacteria really are. This is my friend Theo, the tiny bug.
Hello.
He's a bacterium, and as the name suggests, he's pretty tiny. You can only see bacteria using a microscope. To get an idea just how tiny bacteria are, have a look how tiny these gnats are.
Hey buddy, how are... Oh, sorry, I thought you were someone else.
They're only a couple of millimetres long. Fully grown people are usually somewhere between 1 and 2 metres tall, so that's about 1,000 times taller than a gnat. If you scaled a gnat up to the size of a human, a bacterium like Theo would be about the size of a gnat in proportion, because a gnat is about 1,000 times longer than a bacterium. We have to use different units to describe these drastically different sizes. I'm a bit less than 2 metres tall. We write 2 metres as 2m. This gnat is about 2 millimetres long. There are 1,000 millimetres in a metre. We write 2 millimetres as 2mm. But a bacterium like Theo the tiny bug is 1,000 times smaller still. He's about 2 micrometres long. There are 1,000 micrometres in a millimetre, or 1,000,000 micrometres in a metre. But how do we write that? We've already used the letter M to stand for both milli and metre, so we can't use that to mean micro too. And picking another random letter would be confusing. Well, the answer is to start using letters from the Greek alphabet, obviously. We use the Greek letter mu, which looks like a cross between an M and a U. So 2 micrometres is written as 2 μm. So there you are. That's how tiny a tiny bug is. Well, there are lots of different species of bacteria, and some are much bigger or smaller than that, but at least that gives you a rough idea. Thanks for watching.